Hello and welcome to Maddie Green TV. If you're rewatching this on YouTube, hello, thank you for joining. Hi Kaylee. Okay, we are going to do Alyssa's order 16648. They ordered only a few days ago, but they just got 3 mini stickers. So I wanted to get those out. And guys, even if you order just 3 mini stickers, you get the free print and a free bullseye sticker too. Yay, you're on here, Alyssa. Excited for you to get your stickers. Just a little quick live today, about 20 minutes until my package pickup. But I figured I would go live and package some orders with you guys. This is the print I'm using for Alyssa today. Happy Monday, everybody. It's hard to believe it's already Monday again, huh? And this will be reposted to YouTube as well. I know it'll be a quick one, but then you'll have some content to rewatch. Thank you, Alyssa. Also, I wanted to go live because I got new custom mailers and they're gorgeous. Can't wait to be packaging with them. Okay, this is for Yanith, order 16647. I'm using this print today because I found like 100 pack of them and they're the last one, so I figured why not. Yanith, and they gotta make today a good day ivory shirt and a medium you are golden tee. And this one's the You Are Golden. So cozy. It's like this Dijon mustard color. And then make today a good day. Make today a good day. And we're gonna get to use the new poly mailer. It's so exciting. What is the next launch? Yeah, it is Wednesday. New launch on Wednesday. We got candles, black tea and honey, cereal milk, desert bloom. Great question. All 3 wildflower t-shirts. I have one here that I can open up and show you, but black, mint, and pink will be launching Wednesday. And they're all new. We've never had these colors before. The mint is so bright and fun. I'll also be launching some reusable tote bags, which I could grab and show you. I'm gonna have a jumbo size, which is more for like packages, and then this is the medium size, which is like for groceries, books. It even has a pocket inside. And they're waterproof too, which is really nice. Those are coming Wednesday. Yeah, there's like 6 different patterns. I have some fun cups coming too. Let me grab them. Some will be a surprise, but there's some new tulips and wildflower cups coming, but I'll show you these. White with yellow and peaches. Those are coming Wednesday as well. The countdown's on my Instagram, so you can save it to your time zone there. I'm gonna do this for the free sticker, and I think I could fit this in my new mailer. We might need the larger size, but we'll see. I'm so excited. They look so good. Yep, the launch is on Wednesday. The countdown is on my Instagram. Save it to your time zone. Skipping USPS orders because my UPS pickup's in 20 minutes, so we're gonna do that. Thank you, Nicole, for the rose. There's the coupon code you guys can use while I'm live. Okay, this is for my sister Pam, and they got a 5XL rainbow white crew neck sweatshirt. I just updated the product photos for those. I love them. Yeah, 5XL. Including the free sticker. Here's the free print I'm using today. I include a free keychain for her too. I love my cherry pillow. Oh, Kayla, I'm glad you got it. Okay, they got the 5XL rainbow white crew neck. I'm gonna put this all in here since keychain will be more protected. Yes, I have all new Wildflower t-shirts on Wednesday. I just showed you all the colors. Last time there was sage and pink. This time it's mint and purple. And I'm also adding a black color. Okay, this order is for Catherine, 16641. Ooh, they got a retro orange stream big live bigger sweatshirt. What's that? A large. And it would rather be in nature crew. Size large. This is the chocolate brown with green ink. Would rather be in nature. And then the everything over needs you can find within yourself. It was the last one. Dream big, live bigger. I love this crew. They also got a book and a Suncatcher. They got the everything you'll ever need you can find within yourself book. And then they also ordered a Suncatcher. I'm including this cute rainbow as a freebie. These are a nice big mailer for these ones. I ordered more stuff today, Maddie. Oh, Nicole, thank you. I shipped one of your orders today. I think it was your slippers. I shipped a bunch of slipper orders out today that were on pre-order. Oh, Tina, thank you for the flowers. Thank you. On the order, thank you. I love this order counter. It was so worth the $400 dollars. Okay, this order is for Corinne, 16639. They got a 2XL mint CEO t-shirt and 101 essays book. Great choice. The sage color is everything. And then 101 essays will change the way you think. Love this book. How cute. The address is right there. I got it. Free sticker to match. I think some people comment that just to, like, troll people, so we could block them. Thank you, Corinne. perfect. This is for Connie, 16635, Adventure Cup and Bamboo Lid. Surprised nobody noticed we moved a bunch of shelves around. We added like 7 more shelves. Moved everything around. Here's the cup they got. Lid. They sell the straws for like $1 on Amazon. This for the freebie. Ooh, yeah, I don't have any black items next to me. It's a dark green. It's a new product, probably next month. And I'm all out of live stickers, so we're just doing the fun tape today. They just wouldn't fit earlier. They just wouldn't fit earlier. Okay, this is for Jessica, 16634. Oh, they got some fun cups and a notepad. I'll go grab those 2 mugs. These are so fun. Okay, free sticker. Oh, thank you guys for the order. Aren't these fun? Which one do you guys like? The F this or exhale? I agree, I love them both. The color is fun on this one. Something about the white tape just makes me so happy. I know I changed it to brown last time because this gets dirty, but the white just pops. Thank you, Jessica. Always makes me smile when your live comes up. Oh, thank you. Okay, this order is for Marie, 16653. You got a 4XL Create Your Own Luck embroidered sweatshirt, some Suncatchers, and some floral stickers. Yeah, you're on here. You're gonna love this. Yeah, 4XL, and then both Suncatchers and a fresh flowers sticker bundle. They got both of the Wildflower Suncatchers, pink and black. Fresh flower sticker bundle, one of each of my flowers. Free sticker, Create Your Own Luck. And then my absolutely favorite sweatshirt ever, the Luxe Gold Metallic Embroidered Create Your Own Luck crew neck. I love it. Thank you, Marie. I'm so excited for you to get that too. I'll have the t-shirts restocked either at the end of this month or next month, if you don't already have one. Definitely need the matching t-shirt. Yes, yes we do. Thank you, Marie. That'll ship in about 5 minutes for you. Yes, I ship worldwide. I don't know if you can see it because TikTok's sometimes blurry, but it says I ship worldwide. Okay, this is for Maurizia. Oh, just kidding. UPS is here for my pickup. So, I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Bye, guys.